Hey guys, welcome back to Mediocre Arts and Crafts. Today I am just finishing up a little card from the Creative Expressions Woodware line. And I just got back from vacation on Monday. I was gone for about a week. And I am just getting back into the swing of things, so thought I'd do something simple. And of course I need a vacation from my vacation because it was pretty busy. So I just colored up this new stamp, and let me show you here. Just making, that's my card base. And here's the stamp. It is like I said, from Woodware, and it is called Gnome. And so there's a series of these little guys. And this particular one I already stamped up and colored. And I thought that I'm getting a little bit better at this whole ink blending alcohol marker thing, just a little bit. So I'm able to kind of blend out some things so that the transition of the colors don't look as sharp. And this image is super cute anyway, so who could mess that up? So I am, like I said, just getting back in the swing. I'm just going to glue this down, and it'll be good to go, and I'll be ready to send it off to somebody. Over the next few days, I have a couple more stamped cards that I'll be showing you. One is a fall themed card, and I have another that that is another part of this series of gnomes from Woodware. And then I also have a mini album coming up. It'll be a pretty simple mini album, and I just got back on my trip from Disneyland, so I have some of the Magical Adventure Echo Park collections, so I'm gonna chop that up and make a pretty simple mini album out of that. So I'm just going to finish up this card. By cutting down a piece of white cardstock to 4 by 5 1/4. Get this guy out of the way. I'm going to take the sentiment out of here. So there are two sentiments here. There's one that says Buzz, and there's one that says Happy Bee Day. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and use the Buzz stamp. That way it is an all occasion card, and I really like to have all occasion cards hanging around. You'll notice that I am stamping before I glue down this piece of cardstock inside the card, just in case there is any problem. I don't know if that's crooked or not, but if it is, I think it's fine. Looks good. I'm gonna glue that in. So there you go. Thanks for joining me today. If you are interested in winning this card and this pack of Cartabella puffy stickers from the Hello Christmas collection, then go ahead and comment below and let me know what time of day you usually end up watching craft videos. Do you watch usually in the evening after the kids go to bed, or in the morning after you have coffee, or on your lunch break, only on the weekends? Let me know what you do. I watch videos mostly in the evening. Sometimes I'll force myself to take a lunch from work and I'll watch some videos just to kind of clear my head. But let me know what you do, and all of the rules for this tiny giveaway will be in the description below. Of course, this is not a sponsored giveaway, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget, safety first.